In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually take a payment with a QuickBooks Online account. With First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account. From the left-hand menu, open Payroll. If you haven't set it up before, click Get Started and work through the setup prompts. You'll enter your business details, including your EIN, legal address, and tax information. Take a moment here to verify everything matches your official filings. Even small typos can cause payroll errors or tax filing delays. During setup, you'll also add your employees. Enter each person's full name, address, whether they're paid a salary or hourly, and their tax information from their W-4. If you plan to pay by direct deposit, you can enable it now. It's optional, but highly recommended because it speeds up payday and reduces manual check handling. Once the initial setup is complete, you can add or update team members anytime by going to Payroll and then Employees. Click Add an Employee and fill in the essentials: their hourly or salary rate, the pay schedule you'll use, weekly, bi-weekly, or another cadence, tax withholding details, and bank information if they'll receive direct deposit. When everything looks right, click Save. A good tip here is to keep each employee's W-4 and any state withholding forms handy so your entries are consistent with what they provided. When you're ready to process pay, go to Payroll and choose Run Payroll. Select the correct pay schedule for this run, then enter hours for hourly employees. Salary amounts will populate automatically based on the schedule. Review the preview carefully, confirm gross wages, employer and employee taxes, and any deductions or contributions. If everything checks out, click Submit Payroll. QuickBooks will calculate federal and state taxes, Social Security, Medicare, and any other mapped deductions for you, which helps reduce manual math and potential mistakes. Next, head to Taxes and then Payroll Tax to handle tax payments. Review the amounts due and timing. If your subscription supports automatic payments and filings and you've enabled them, you'll see the option to let QuickBooks process those for you. Otherwise, follow the on-screen prompts to pay what's due on time. Finally, for visibility and record keeping, open Reports. Search for Payroll Summary to see high-level totals, payroll details for line-by-line breakdowns, and the tax liability report to understand what you owe and when. You can download or print these for your files or to share with your accountant. That's the full flow, from setup to paying your team and staying compliant, so you can run payroll confidently in QuickBooks Online.